Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Wispr Flow with Cursor. In this walkthrough, we'll show you the basic flow for getting Wispr Flow working so you can start speaking and have your words entered into a text field. This is a simple process, and once you do it once or twice, it becomes very quick and natural. To begin, open the Wispr Flow app on your device. Make sure the application is running and ready before moving on. This is important because Wispr Flow needs to be active in the background in order to capture your voice and send the dictated text into whatever app you're using. If it's your first time opening it, give it a moment to fully load so everything is ready. Next, open a sample platform where you can type text, such as a word processor or a GPT-style text box. The idea here is to use any app with a place to enter text so you can test that Wispr Flow is working correctly. This gives you a simple environment to confirm that your voice input is being recognized and inserted where you want it. Once your text platform is open, click on the space where you want the words to appear. This step matters because your cursor needs to be active inside the text field. If the cursor is not placed in the correct spot, your speech may not go anywhere, or it may be entered in the wrong location. So just take a second to confirm the text area is selected and ready. After that, press the Wispr Flow command to activate it. This command starts the voice input process and tells Wispr Flow to begin listening. If you use this often, it can be helpful to get comfortable with the shortcut so you can trigger it quickly without interrupting your workflow. The goal is to make speaking feel as seamless as typing. Then, simply speak to enter words. Try speaking clearly and at a steady pace so the app can capture your speech accurately. If you're testing it for the first time, start with a short sentence to make sure everything is working as expected. Once you see the words appear in the text field, you'll know the setup is successful. That's the full process for using Wispr Flow with Cursor in a basic text entry workflow. Open the app, open a text platform. Click into the writing area, activate the Wispr Flow command, and begin speaking. With just a little practice, this can become a fast and convenient way to enter text hands-free.